In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Jira, enabling a seamless workflow between your task management and project tracking systems. This integration is particularly useful for teams looking to streamline their processes and enhance collaboration. So let's dive right into it. To get started, head over to your Trello board. Once there, you'll need to access the Power-Ups feature. This is located in the main menu of your Trello board. Click on Power-Ups, which is essentially a way to add extra functionalities and integrations to your Trello experience. Next up, select Add Power-Ups from the menu. This will take you to a searchable list of various power-ups available for Trello. Since we're looking to integrate with Jira, type Jira into the search bar and you'll see the Jira power-up appear in the list. Go ahead and click on Add, allowing Trello to incorporate this useful tool into your board. After adding the power-up, it's time to configure the settings. Look for the settings icon, which you can find right next to the newly installed Jira power-up. Click on Edit Power-Up Settings, where you'll be prompted to initiate the connection with Jira. At this point, you'll see an option labeled Connect to Jira. Clicking this will start the linking process. You'll need to enter your Jira URL, which is essentially the web address you use to access your Jira account. Once you have that URL at the ready, type it in carefully to avoid any errors. With your Jira URL entered, hit the Connect to Jira button once more. This will prompt a new window where you will need to authorize the connection between Trello and Jira. Authorizing this connection is crucial as it ensures that both applications can communicate effectively, sharing information between them. Once you've successfully authorized the connection and the power-up is fully installed, you're ready to dive back into Trello. Open one of your Trello cards that you regularly use to manage tasks. You'll notice a new addition to your card options, the Jira Power-Up. By clicking on this Jira Power-Up within the Trello card, you'll unlock the ability to attach a Jira issue directly to the Trello card, or even create a new Jira issue without having to leave Trello. This seamless integration not only saves time, but also keeps your project management tools harmonized. And that's it! With these steps, you now have a robust connection between Trello and Jira, making it easier than ever to keep track of projects and priorities across platforms. Whether you're tracking bugs, sprints, or any other project tasks, this integration enhances efficiency and improves team collaboration. Happy optimizing!